Court is calling 2024 CR 010935 State versus Montoyo Arenas. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Ashley Jones for the state.
Efrain Torres Jr. for Mr. Montoyo Arenas.
And are you Mr. Arenas?
Yes.
All right, we have an interpreter here. Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
My name is Catalina Delgado, Your Honor.
All right, so guys, please don't talk behind the court reporter. Just ask the deputy to move you down to the other end. We're off the record. My birthday has been ruined. People didn't follow the rules. Nathaniel, I'm shocked at you. It's heartbreaking. All right, we're going to pretend like that didn't happen. We're going to start it all over. Everybody's following the rules. We're back on the record. Could you state your name for the record?
My name is Catalina Delgado, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Arenas, all the documents I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those explained to you in Spanish?
Yes.
And counsel, do you speak Spanish?
Fluent, Your Honor.
Sí.
I know you do, but do you do?
I do.
All right. Counsel, have you received all of the discovery?
We have, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
We did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Arenas, did you review the document entitled Application for Community Supervision or Deferred Adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Sí. Yes.
Did you understand it?
Sí. Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon? That is a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Sí. Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Sí. Yes.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Sí. Yes.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Sí. Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No. No.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No. No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Sí. Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No. No.
Counsel, have you had a chance to consult with your client the impact this plea will have on his immigration status?
Judge, he actually spoke to an independent immigration attorney judge who actually visited him at the jail. He actually has his plea letter right here with him. He understands that he could potentially be put into deportation proceedings and potentially be deported. It's still his wish to move forward with his plea. And so he is aware of full range of consequences in regards to taking this plea.
All right. Mr. Arenas, did you understand by entering into this plea bargain agreement that you will be deported?
Sí. Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to proceed?
Sí. Yes.
And did you have ample opportunity to speak with an immigration attorney?
Yes.
And are you here legally?
No. No.
All right. Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did y'all review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney?
Sí. Yes.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes.
Did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent? Did you understand that to be as part of the plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be 40 hours of community service restitution, no contact with Carlos Sanchez, anger management, TAP evaluation, and follow all recommendations. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
No objections, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same.
Yes.
All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication.
All right, pause. We are 6 seconds in, and the judge is already talking about rules being broken and a ruined birthday. That's how you know this courtroom is about to be chaotic. Buckle up.
So, question, why should I accept this offer? Where is the complainant?
Your Honor, this time the state has not had contact with anybody.
All right, and it appears that both parties involved are not citizens. From reading the report, that's what it seems to be to the court.
Correct, Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
So are you telling me you're probably not going to be able to get in touch with the complainant?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. You may be excused. All right. The court will sentence you to a $1,500 fine if there's no objection to proceed with sentencing.
No objection.
That will be probated. 3 years deferred adjudication. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. You're not allowed to re-enter the United States. And I'm assuming there's probably going to be an ICE hold or something.
I think there currently is one.
All right. There's to be 200 hours of community service restitution. It appears that Carlos Sanchez is his nephew.
Correct.
So I'll do a no contact order with Carlos Sanchez. If he appears in the United States and wishes to address that, he can. So there'll be no contact with Carlos Sanchez. I'll do anger management, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Probation, I don't expect Mr. Arenas to be back in the United States. So if he is arrested for arriving back in the United States, then that will be a violation of his probation. So there are no other conditions for me to add unless there is something you wish to have added. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. All right, is there anything else?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. You
Thank
may
you.
be excused.
Please.
All right, who do you have?
I have Alex Miasek.
All right, yes,
I guess Judge, he is set for, I think a plea deadline was, I think today.
yes.
I was going to ask for just a few more weeks because the state did send some other discovery on some at-large cases that we are just reviewing and have not had a chance to review yet.
Okay, is he here today?
He's here. Yeah.
All right, Mr. Miasek, come
We are
forward.
leaning towards the plea on this one, but we want to make sure we have all of our bases covered on watching all of looking at all the other discovery. And
All right, so I am going to recall this for November 14th. That will be your final chance to enter into a plea deadline date. Do you understand? All right, thanks for dressing appropriately for court. Ms. Ferguson, Miasek is coming back on the 14th. State, that's the final plea deadline date. All right, who's here on Dirkland Davey? And Deputy Laura, what page is Miasek on? Oh, all right, thank you.
Zach, you just walked out.
All right, you may want to probably test. Let's see. What's going on? We're here on a violation report.
Yes, Judge.
All right. So what are you all going to be asking for before we go on the record? All right. We're going to go on the record. Court is calling NIMAG number 755032, State of Texas versus Dirkland Davey. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Monica Anna Guerrero for Dirkland Davey.
All right. So we're here on a violation report. This is the 6th violation report, and it has to do with skipped retests. All right. So it's obvious to the court. He is with outpatient treatment with lifetime.
Outpatient with lifetime.
Obviously, he needs inpatient.
This is a big moment right here. Aggravated assault with a deadly weapon is a second-degree felony that's up to 20 years in prison. This is not a slap on the wrist charge. Everything he says from this point forward matters.
Treatment. The state is asking for a bond increase. You want to address that?
We don't think a bond increase will address Mr. Davey's addiction. I would agree he does need more help. He is on track with his AA meetings every single day with outpatient. He says he's on the phone 2 to 3 times a week, around 3 hours. He's really addressing his alcohol problem, but it's a process and it's a problem, and he's making the steps. He admits that he has made this mistake. He fully
No, I mean, he's making bad choices.
had choices.
So here's the thing.
Mhm.
Either his bond is getting increased or he's going into inpatient treatment with lifetime recovery.
Okay.
So,
We
Yes.
have discussed that possibility. My personal recommendation or request to the court was going to be to add a scram to him as an additional measure to what he's already doing. But if the court is requiring inpatient, I talked to Mr. Davey. He's not saying no to it. His concern is that he is a sole provider for his family. His wife just had back surgery on October the 15th. So that puts them in a situation where the family does not have any income coming in. But on the alternative, Mr. Davey does not want to go to jail where he's not going to receive any help with his alcohol
so
addiction.
he has 2 choices because this is the 6th violation report and all his violations have to do with alcohol. And what the court has done is the court has slowly addressed, well, not slowly, but the court has addressed each violation. And I didn't immediately start with inpatient treatment. I started with outpatient treatment, and it's not helping. So that tells me he needs something more. So what I would suggest is that someone gets on the phone and call Lifetime Recovery and see how long it would take them to process him into their inpatient treatment program.
Okay.
So this is me trying to help you, Mr. Davey, and also protect the public. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So just remain in the courtroom. Your attorney is going to call Lifetime Recovery,
Yes.
and we will see if they're able to accept you. They should be. So if you'll call them immediately, and we'll recess this for now, and we'll see what the response is.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, thank you. And thank you so much for dressing appropriately for court. You always do, though. All right. Who's here on Enoch Sigundo and probation? There are no applications. If you come down. Court is calling 2024 CR 008843, State of Texas versus Enoch Sigundo. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Victoria Cruz on behalf of Raymond Martinez.
And are you Mr. Segundo?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you have any objections to this attorney standing in for Raymond Martinez? Right. Counsel, have you received all of the discovery?
Yes, Your Honor. Defense is satisfied.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Everyone, please whisper. Whisper like you're spies. All right. Did you review the the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you weigh the reading of the indictment?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney?
Honor. Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Let's talk about what just happened. He's being told very clearly that this plea could trigger deportation proceedings. This is one of those situations where criminal court and immigration consequences collide, and the fallout can be permanent.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Segundo, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 1 year in the state jail facility. There's a $2,000 fine. There are no applications. The state is taking in consideration 735-048, 735-049, night mag number 763361, and there's to be restitution, if any, to Chloe Rocha. That's CLOE. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor. If we may speak to anything under the line, whenever Your Honor is ready.
Thank you. And state, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, there's to be no contact with Chloe Rocha. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charge, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
No objection from defense.
All right, and state before you're excused, would you like to address the no contact order? All right, thank you. You may be excused. Mr. Segundo, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
And you wish to speak to the no contact order?
Your Honor, I misspoke, actually. I would like to request that defendant be allowed to have a restitution hearing, if any, as part of his requirements. I saw that restitution to the complainant is owed. That's fine. I'm just requesting a hearing to determine the amount beforehand.
Okay.
And if defendant could have credit for time served, we have 217 days on the system now, and that's
All
all.
right. All right, and who is Viviano Segundo Sr.?
My brother.
And who is Juan Antonio Segundo III?
Juan,
Yes.
if I'm not mistaken, that's my grandfather.
Okay. All right. The court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. Take in consideration 735-048, 735-049. There's to be no contact with Chloe Rocha. And restitution, if any. If you wish to have a restitution hearing, if the amount is something that you deem inappropriate, You can just request it.
Absolutely. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to.
Notice this part: an affirmative finding of family violence doesn't just affect this case, it follows no guns, no ammo, and even custody rights can be impacted. These are lifetime consequences, not temporary conditions.
Appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, this whole thing that you're involved with, that could have turned sideways so quickly where you could have been killed, your brother or whoever is with you could have been killed. Do you have any children?
No.
All right, so you shouldn't even be thinking about that yet because you have to get your life in order. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Unless you want to spend the rest of your life wearing orange in prison with somebody telling you something to do every single day, you better change your life. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Hello.
No, thanks.
How are you doing today?
Good.
All right, let me just pull up your case. All right. So, Ms. Abrams, this is Alisa Hernandez. Where are we on the evaluations?
Judge, as reported to the court last week, she has an appointment on 11/26 to complete the Tacoma part of the mental health evaluation. So that's where we are, Judge. And that's with the Center for Healthcare Services.
Okay.
That's on 11/26.
All right. So I wanted you brought over, and I'd like to do these updates because I don't want people to be lost. Sometimes the ball gets dropped, right?
Yeah.
So they're telling me that the final evaluation you have will be on November 26th. And I'm just trying to make sure you get to the right place you're supposed to be so that you'll be able to successfully complete this.
Okay.
Okay. So what I'm going to do, counsel, I'll recall it for after that date so that we can make sure that that was completed and we can find out what they deem is the best placement for her.
Right.
So, Vashawn, when do you want to bring it back?
Due to that week being a holiday, I would ask that we either bring it back on the 5th or the
All right, counsel, the 5th or the 9th.
5.
All right, so we're going to bring you back on December 5th to make sure all the testing is done. They should have the results in and we'll have a placement for you, okay?
Okay.
All right, do you have any other questions? All right, thank you so much for your patience.
Just keep working hard, okay? Just keep doing your job.
All right, thank you. Have a good one. Hello.
Hey, good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Yes.
We're just coming to announce for trial
All right, we'll have a jury up here at 11.
at 11. Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
it's Joe.
Oh, Joe, I'm so sorry. The paperclip was hiding it, and I just made assumptions, which I tell people, never make assumptions. All right, court is calling CM 113971, State of Texas versus Joe Maria Ramos. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Shannon Kite-Powell.
And are you Mr. Ramos?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Ramos, your attorney has filed a motion to withdraw. Are you aware of that?
Yes.
All right, do you have any objections to your attorney withdrawing from this case?
No.
All right, State, do you have any objections to the motion to withdraw?
No.
All right, the motion to withdraw will be granted. You're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, we can go off the record. Mr. Ramos, do you need an attorney appointed to represent you, or are you going to hire one?
I'm going to hire.
All right, how much time do you need to hire an attorney?
Not sure.
All right, this is what we're going to do. We're going to recall this for Norma. If you can recall this for December 9th. All right. So that gives you more than a month to hire an attorney. You'll need to come in on that date with an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, Ms. Ferguson will give you a reset form and then you're excused. All right, thank you. Yes, thank you for coming down. Good to see you. All right, thank you. Just give me one moment. Stand right there. Just give me a second, okay?
Thank you so much.
Hello, how are you doing this morning?
I'm doing okay. How are you?
I'm doing okay. Your attorney has medical issues, so we're going to have to reset your case. And we're going to reset your case for 2 weeks. Norma, if you'll recall this case, we're going to recall it for November 21st. If your attorney is able to come in before that, we'll bring you back, okay?
Okay, amazing. Thank you so much.
All right, do you have any questions?
No, ma'am, I actually spoke to him yesterday, so I was just anticipating this.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Thank you.
Catherine Aguilar. All right, could I see Amanda Mola? Hello.
Hello.
So anyway, the state has filed a motion to dismiss your case. They're saying they're dismissing it because of missing witness. So I don't know anything about the facts of your case, but whatever brought you here, if there's some anger issues, is there something else going on in this case? You need to correct that. Otherwise, you'll be back here. You understand? All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, be excused.
Yes.
Take care, Judge.
All right. Thank you. All right.
This is why deferred adjudication is such a gamble. The court hasn't found him guilty yet, but if probation is violated, the judge can come back and impose the full sentence. Would you take that risk? Drop your thoughts below. This right here is a hard judicial line. 6 violations, all alcohol related. The court isn't punishing anymore. It's trying to force treatment jail or inpatient rehab. Those are the only doors left open.